Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Today we will discuss most important questions in polynomials. Read first question. If zeros of p of x equal to 2x square minus 7x plus k are reciprocal of each other, then find the value of k. What is given data? What is given? Given data.
P of x is equal to 2x squared minus 7x plus k.
Here given one polynomial, correct? Our polynomial function equal to 2x square minus 7x plus k. And here given one condition for zeros. What is that condition? See, zeros. Zeros are reciprocal of each other. Do you know reciprocal? What is the reciprocal of a?
1 by a.
1 by a.
Correct? What is the reciprocal
Yes, ma'am.
of 2?
1 by 2.
1 by 2.
Yes, good. Here zeros. What is the name of the polynomial?
Quadratic.
Quadratic polynomial. So what are the
Quadratic.
zeros? Let alpha and beta
Alpha.
Alpha beta.
quadratic polynomial. Is it clear? Here alpha and beta are
Yes, ma'am.
our quadratic polynomial. Okay. What is the given condition? Zeros are reciprocal of each other. It means
Yes,
alpha
ma'am.
equal to
1 by alpha.
1 by alpha. 1 by alpha.
each other. It
1
means
by
alpha equal to 1 by beta.
1 by
Understood?
beta.
Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
Equal to
Beta is equal to
beta equal to
1 by
1 by
alpha.
alpha.
1 by alpha.
1 by alpha.
given condition. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Here we have to find the k value. Okay, how to find k value? How to find k value? Say anyone.
Ma'am, we should find the zeros first, ma'am.
Zeros. We know the relationship between zeros and quotients, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
First write relation. What is the relation? Sum of the zeros. Alpha plus beta equal to
Alpha plus beta is equal to b by a minus b by a.
a.
Hey, everybody involved in class now. Only few are not speaking. Everybody solve it. This is very important. Be active in class. Do it.
and product of the zeros. Alpha into beta equal to
c by a.
by
c by a.
P by a.
Okay.
C by
We have to find the k value.
K value.
Constant, correct? K means constant, correct here? C.
Yes, ma'am.
Which equation we need? C in second equation, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So consider the second equation. We don't want first equation. Okay, already B and A value is given, correct? We want only C value. So consider the second
Yes,
equation.
ma'am.
Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody having any doubt, ask me. Any doubt? So consider the second equation. Second equation is alpha into beta equal to C by A. What is alpha? Alpha equal to 1 by beta, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
In place of alpha, we substitute 1 by beta. Is it clear? 1 by beta.
Beta into 1 by alpha.
1 by alpha.
Alpha, write beta as it is.
Why, ma'am?
Here we have to find the C value. Correct? Suppose you write 1 by beta. It is 1 by beta into 1 by beta, which is equal to 1 by beta square. Correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Don't write 1 by beta. Here alpha into beta equal to C by A. Alpha value. Here alpha equal to 1 by beta. Write beta as it is. C value. What is C?
K.
C equal to K and A equal to
2.
2. C equal to K and A equal to 2. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
In place of C, we substitute K and A value 2. Okay? Here beta get cancelled. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the value of this one? This value.
1.
1 equal to,
K is equal to 2. K is equal to 2.
then K equal to by 2 comes to this side
minus
Multiply 2.
into 2. 1 into 2. 1 into 2 value 2.
K is equal to
2. Very, very important question. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What we have done? Here given one polynomial function and one condition. What is that condition? Zero.
Ma'am, I have one doubt, ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am, if they are given K in the place of minus bx in that value, we should take alpha plus beta is
In
Ma'am?
place of K? In place
ma'am
of
here now in this question in the C place they have given K, ma'am.
B place. In place of B.
If it comes in place of B, we can take alpha plus beta is equal
Yes,
to minus
alpha
B
plus
by A,
beta
no,
you
ma'am?
take. Alpha plus beta
Okay,
you
ma'am.
take. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Is it clear?
All of you respond if you have doubt. Now itself you ask us here because
ma'am.
very important it is. Solve it.
Here given polynomial and zeros. Zeros are reciprocal to each other. It means alpha equal to 1 by beta or beta equal to 1 by alpha. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
And next write the sum of the zeros and product of the zeros relations. Okay, alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a and alpha into beta equal to c by a. Here we have to find the c value. C is nothing but our k. Okay, so we don't need this equation. Okay, only consider the second equation. In place of alpha, we substitute 1 by beta into beta. Beta get cancelled. Here c equal to k and a equal to 2. Then
2.
we can find k value. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall I go to
Yes,
next
ma'am.
one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Read second question. If alpha and beta are zeros of polynomial, p of x equal to 5x square plus 5x plus 1, then find the value of, here given two subdivisions. First one, alpha square plus beta square. Here we have to find the alpha square plus beta square. How to find alpha square plus beta square?
Ma'am, by using identities.
Using identities.
Okay, that method also correct. We know the relations, correct? Sum of the zeros. Sum of the zeros.
Minus
Alpha
b
plus
by
beta.
Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by A.
Minus b by
Minus
a.
b by a. Substitute the values first. Alpha. We don't know alpha and beta values, correct? Write as it
Yes,
is.
ma'am.
What is beta b value?
Minus
Here a
Minus 5.
5.
A is
B equal to
5.
5.
5, ma'am.
C equal
is equal to 1.
t equal to
One.
1.
Substitute B and A values. B value 5. Correct?
Minus 5 by 5.
5 by
5 by
Minus 1
5
is
by 5.
5.
Minus
5 get cancelled, which
Minus
is equal to minus 1. Is it
Minus
clear?
Minus 1.
Here
Yes,
we
ma'am.
get alpha plus beta equal to minus 1. Okay? But we don't need alpha plus beta value. Correct? What is product of zeros?
Alpha beta is equal to C by A.
Alpha beta is
Yes,
equal to
ma'am.
C
Alpha
by A.
beta
Into
C
beta
by A.
equal to, take two equations, C by A.
C by
Alpha value we don't know, right? As it is alpha beta equal to C value 1,
1
B
by
value 5.
5.
Okay, up to here. Any doubt?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No.
No, ma'am.
Here we want alpha square plus beta square, correct? So
We
squaring
need
on
to
both
multiply
sides.
this.
Squaring on both sides.
Okay.
It means alpha plus beta whole square minus 1 whole square. Is it correct?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
What is alpha plus beta whole square formula? It is like a plus b whole square, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Plus
ma'am.
for alpha plus 2AB, 2 alpha B plus
Alpha
beta
square plus beta square plus 2 alpha
plus
beta.
2A alpha beta.
Do you understand? Here using a plus b whole square formula. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Minus 1 whole square is minus 1 whole square value.
1.
1.
1.
1, ma'am. 1.
Here we want alpha square plus beta square. This expression, correct?
So minus 2 alpha beta.
So write as it is alpha square plus beta square. We don't want 2 alpha beta.
2
Is
alpha.
equal to 1 minus.
So plus 2 alpha beta
Equal to
comes to this side.
plus
It will
alpha
become minus 2
Minus
alpha
2
beta.
alpha beta.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Alpha square plus beta square equal to 1 minus 2 into what is
Two.
product of zeros?
1 by
Alpha
5.
plus beta.
1 by
2 into beta value.
1 by 5. 1 by 5.
1 by 5. 1 by 5.
1 by 5. In place of alpha into beta, we substitute 1 by 5. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Which is equal
Yes,
to
ma'am.
1 minus 2 into 1
2 by 5.
by
2
5.
by 5.
2 by
2 by 5.
LCM
3 by 5.
5.
5.
5 by 5, ma'am.
1 into denominator we have 1.
1 into 5.
5.
1 into 5.
5.
2
Into
into
minus
5. 1 time to get 5. Correct?
3, ma'am. 3 by 5.
Which is equal to 1 into 5. 5.
5.
2 into
5.
1. 2 by
2 by 5.
5 minus 2.
2 by 5.
3.
3
3 by
by
5.
5. So our alpha square plus beta square value equal to 3 by 5.
3 by 5.
Do you understand?
Ma'am, can you show the question, ma'am?
Okay. Note it down. Do you understand? Arya,
Yes, ma'am.
Pranav,
Yes, ma'am.
shall I go to next sum?
No, ma'am, only, ma'am.
Okay.
ma'am.
All of you solve it. If you have doubt, you just ask. Everybody solve. Today, madam will teach case study also. Because now 30% weightage goes to case studies. So we have to save time in case studies also. Let us see, we will practice. Everybody respond and do well. I
This
want
question
it.
is very important.
I want it to make you very good in that. That is what main motto. Work hard. Next. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Padma,
sir.
Yeah, if it is completed, solve it, solve it.
Okay. Second subdivision. Here we have to find alpha power minus 1 and beta power minus 1. Okay.
1 by alpha plus 1 by beta.
1 by alpha plus 1 by beta.
Ma'am, 1 by alpha plus 1 by beta.
It is alpha power minus 1 plus beta power minus 1. How to write? It is 1 by alpha.
1 by alpha plus 1 by
Plus 1
beta.
by
1 by
beta.
beta. Correct?
Yes,
A
ma'am.
power minus 1, which is equal to 1 by a, or a power minus m, which is equal to 1 by a power m. Do you know this one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Here we have to find this value. Take LCM.
Ma'am,
LCM.
alpha plus beta. Ma'am, alpha plus beta by alpha into beta.
Ma'am, alpha plus
Beta
beta
plus
by
alpha.
Ma'am,
alpha
alpha
beta,
plus
ma'am.
beta by alpha into beta. Alpha
Here
plus beta by
LCM is
alpha into
alpha into beta, correct? LCM is alpha into beta. 1 into numerator into denominator alpha. Here we have to get alpha into
1
beta.
into
How many
beta
times?
plus beta alpha. Beta. Beta. 1
Correct?
into
1 into beta
One
plus
into
1 into alpha.
1
Plus
into
1 into
beta.
alpha.
How many
1
times
into
to get
alpha.
alpha into beta? Alpha times. Is it clear?
Alpha times.
Any doubt, ask me.
Ma'am,
Prahasini. Any doubt? Write alpha beta as it is. 1 into beta. Beta. 1 into alpha. Alpha. What is the alpha plus beta value? We already found. What is the alpha plus beta value?
ma'am, 1 ma'am, 1.
1
Ma'am,
Alpha
1.
plus beta.
1.
1 or minus 1? We already
minus
found.
1, ma'am.
Minus 1, ma'am.
Minus
Minus
one.
1. Minus 1.
1.
Instead of alpha plus beta, we substitute
Minus
minus
one.
1. And alpha into beta. What is alpha into beta?
3 by 1 by 5.
5.
1 by
1 by
5.
5.
Beta, which is equal to
1 by 5, ma'am.
1 by 5. 1 by 5. What is the answer? Final answer.
Minus 5.
Minus 5.
Minus-
Minus 5.
This is
Minus 5.
so minus 1 into 5 minus 5. Answer is minus 5. Do you understand? Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
This question. Just substitute the values alpha plus beta and alpha into values. Alpha into beta values. Do you understand?
Okay.
Yes,
Have you completed this question, Ra? All of you?
ma'am.
Sir, completed, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Completed,
If it
sir.
is completed, then you can go for the next question. Prasini, have you completed?
Akshaya, Yajini, Kevin,
Akshay is not there.
Kartikeyan.
Karthikeyan?
Sir.
Yeah, have you
Tarangi
solved?
Pushpa.
Tarani Pushpa?
Sir. Yes, sir. Understood.
Okay, so solve it. Next, go for next question. Case study, Ra, this is. So this is case study question.
First, read the paragraph. All of you read. The below quadratic function can model the natural shape of banana. Now, we know that a parabolic shape must have a quadratic function. Therefore, an equation in standard form of f of x equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Here given quadratic function, correct? Quadratic function of
Yes, ma'am.
Function.
AX square plus BX plus.
No.
to find an equation for parabolic shape. Which shape, Ra? Banana shape. Which shape?
Parabola.
Parabola.
Parabola. Parabola.
Parabolic.
Of the banana, we need to find the values of A, B and C. From the banana picture above, we can see the quadratic function is able to model the banana quite accurately. With A equal to 0.1, B equal to 0 and C equal to 0. Therefore, the equation is f of x equal to 0.1 into x square. What is given? Here given banana curve, banana graph. Okay, this is the graph for banana. Do you understand? And this function equal to f of x equal to quadratic function.
Yes,
What is the
square.
quadratic function?
X square.
Not
Yeah.
ax square. This is the
0.1
general
x
form of the parabola function.
0.1.
Our final function is 0.1 into x square. Okay, in place of a, they substitute 0.1. In place of b, substitute 0. In place of c, they substitute 0. Then equation becomes f of x equal to 0.1 x square.
0.1
X
x square.
See this graph? Read first question. Name of the
Parabolic
shape of the
shape, ma'am.
banana.
Parabolic.
Parabolic shape.
Parabolic shape.
Parabola shape. Parabola shape.
Parabola. Okay. All quadratic functions are parabolic in shape. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Read out this question. First question.
No, ma'am.
Parabola.
What, ma'am?
Parabola. Already mentioned. Parabolic shape. Correct? First question answer is parabola. Do you understand or not? This question.
Yes,
ma'am.
Second question. Read second question. Find the number of zeros
Find the number of zeros of
the
the
shape of the
polynomial for the
banana.
shape of the banana.
How to find number of zeros? Here we have graph, correct? How to find the number of zeros based on the graph?
I'm touching x-axis.
Touching the x-axis. It means the number of times the graph touches the x-axis. See this function? See this
Okay.
function? F of x.
1 0.
It means C x-axis, correct? Our polynomial function in the form of x. So see the x-axis. The graph touches the x-axis at how many times?
10.
One
One
time,
time.
ma'am.
Time.
So number
Time,
Time,
ma'am.
ma'am. 1 time.
number of zeros.
1.
1.
1, ma'am.
1.
Number of zeros are 1. At origin, correct? Number of zeros are 1. At 0, correct?
Yes,
Next,
ma'am.
third question. If the curve of banana represented by f of x equal to x square minus x minus 12. Find the zeros. How to find zeros of this quadratic polynomial?
Ma'am, x is equal to 4, x is equal to minus 3.
Good. Split the middle term. Here we have to find the zeros. So entire
Ma'am, x
polynomial
is equal to
function
4, x is equal to minus 3, ma'am. X is equal to 4, x is equal to minus.
Ask me. Split the middle term. Correct? Middle term is minus x. How to split middle term? By using a and c. Here a value 1,
And see, ma'am. Minus 12, then minus 1.
c value 12. Don't consider the negative signs. Here 12 factorize into 3 4s, correct?
3 into 4.
Yes, ma'am. 3 4, sir.
Do addition or subtraction to get middle term. First addition.
If we
3
subtracted, the
plus
answer becomes 1 more.
7. And 3 minus 4, it is minus 1. Is it clear?
Minus 1. Yes, ma'am.
So, x square minus x. Write it as minus 4x plus 3x.
Square minus
Minus
4x
4x plus
minus
3x minus 12.
0. First two terms.
Equal
What
to
is
0.
common
X
term?
of x minus 4, ma'am.
X is
X, ma'am.
common. X minus 4
bracket
plus
X of x minus
3 is
plus
common.
3x
X minus
minus
4.
x minus 4 equal to 0.
is equal to 0. Then x is equal to
X
4,
minus
then
4 is
x plus
common.
3, x is equal to 4
First
x
term
is equal
is
to
A,
minus.
second term is 3 equal to 0. Then
X is equal to
minus
4.
4 equal to 0. X plus 3 equal to 0.
3 is equal to 0.
X
Then
equal
x
to
is equal to 4.
minus 4 comes to this side. Plus
Minus
4.
4 goes that way. Plus 4.
And
Ma'am.
x
4,
equal
ma'am.
to plus 3 comes to this
Minus x is equal to
minus
minus 3,
3.
ma'am.
So our zeros are zeros.
4.
4 comma
4 and minus 3, ma'am. 4
Minus
comma
one.
minus 3 are zeros, ma'am.
Okay, here answer is 4 comma minus 3. That's all. Do you understand? Very simple question.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Next, fourth one. Read the question. If the representation of banana cows whose 1 0 is 4, here 1 0, 1 0 is let alpha equal to 4. Okay, and
X is 4 plus 4x plus 0.
sum of the zeros is 0. Sum of the zeros means alpha plus beta equal to 0. Then find the quadratic polynomial. Very easy question. What is given? Here 1 0 is given. Correct? 1 0 equal to 4 and sum of the zeros equal to 0. Here given two conditions. Then find the quadratic polynomial. Here we have to find the quadratic polynomial and given 1 0 equal to 4 and sum of the zeros. It means
Alpha is equal to 4,
plus
alpha
beta
plus beta is equal to
0. Then find the quadratic polynomial. How to find quadratic polynomial? By using
We need to find the sum of
zeros and
Sum of
quotients.
zeros and product of zeros.
Okay.
then we need to
Is C value? Here alpha equal to 4, beta equal to. Second equation. In second
And
equation,
B is equal to
place of
minus
alpha,
4.
we substitute
Minus 4.
4
Minus 4.
beta
Minus
equal
4,
to
ma'am.
0. Do you understand?
Ma'am.
Then
4
Yes, ma'am.
beta equal to 4 comes
Yes,
to
four.
the
Minus 4.
minus.
Minus
beta
4.
plus minus 4.
We know alpha and beta values, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Then find the quadratic polynomial. What are the relations? Sum of the
Sum of
zeros
zeros is equal to minus b
minus
by
b by a.
is equal to minus b by a.
Product of zeros equal to
C by A.
product of zeros equal to c by a. Substitute the values. Alpha equal to 4, beta equal to
4
minus 4
plus
equal to minus b by a. 4 minus 4 0 equal to
0
minus
by
1 by a. Correct? Next. Alpha into beta. Alpha value 4 and beta value minus 4, which is equal to c by a. 4 into 4
Minus 16.
minus 16
Minus 16.
equal to c by a. What is a value?
a is equal to 1
A
b is
equal
equal
to 1, b
b
equal
is
to
equal to 9
minus b equal to 0, then
minus 0.
b equal to 0. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Next,
C is equal to minus
16.
Minus 16.
Minus 16.
Polynomial function. Polynomial. General form of the quadratic polynomial. F of x equal to or p of x equal to a x square plus b
A square
a
plus
plus
B
c.
C.
Substitute the values a b c. A 1
1x square
into x
plus
square
1x square plus
1x
0x
square plus
Zero.
0x minus
to
16.
minus
Minus 16.
16. The equation becomes 1 into x square 0 into anything 0 minus 16. So our polynomial function f of x equal to x square minus 16. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So our required polynomial equal to x square minus 16. x square minus 16. This is the final answer. That's all. Do you understand this question?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt, ask me.
Ma'am, please show the question from first, ma'am. For this question.
Okay.
Yeah, you see. First question, huh?
No, sir, this question.
Okay. I will send you the PDF last. You just understand. This is one of the most important case study questions. Okay. I will send
Okay,
the PDF. Don't worry. Okay. You can maintain.
Case study questions are very easy, Ra.
Yeah, case study actually we can score maximum marks by
10 by
less
10
time.
you go.
Less time, and the main thing is efficiency. If you are practicing more and more, so many will spend a lot of time in this. But if you are understanding well, so if you have a lot of practice, you can make it very easily. Do you understand? Very simple also. That is what. Be very careful. That is why learn case study questions more well. I will send the PDF. You don't worry. But you maintain as a record this all the things. Practice now. Solve it. All the questions you solve it. Do you understanding all of you?
Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt in this question? You can ask me. Anybody? Prahasini? Anyone? Padmavarshini?
Aravind.
So 1 minute show that alpha into beta, sir. Sir,
Yalini is there. Dilipan? Yalini, you be more concentrated, Dilipan. Do it now.
so 1 minute show alpha beta, that one, sir. Alpha plus beta and alpha into beta.
Which one? All?
Which part?
Sir, starting part, sir, this one, sir, this part.
No, down.
No, sir, go down, sir. This one only, this one only. Okay, thank you.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
Padmoshni completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Read fourth question, Ra. All of you read fourth question.
If alpha beta are roots of x square plus 5x plus a is equal to 0 and 2 alpha plus 5 beta is equal to -1, then find the value of a.
What is given data? If alpha and beta are roots. Roots means zeros. Okay, alpha and beta are the zeros of polynomial x square plus a 5x plus a equal to 0. This is our polynomial p of x. And here given one relation. 2 alpha plus 5 beta equal to -1. Then find the a. Here a equal to constant, correct? What is a? A equal to constant. Is it clear?
Constant.
Write the sum of the zeros and product of the zeros first. Relations. All of you. Sum of the zeros. Alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a. And product of the zeros. Alpha into beta equal to c by a. Substitute the values.
By a.
All of you substitute the values. Here a. Here a different. Both are different. Okay, here a equal to 1. Alpha plus beta, what is the value? We don't know, correct? Write as it is. Alpha plus beta equal to minus of, what is b value? What is b
Five.
value?
Minus 5.
5, ma'am.
5.
So
Positive
-5.
plus 5.
Is there?
5. What is a value? A.
One.
A is
1, ma'am.
1, ma'am.
quotient
1,
of
ma'am.
x square. Coefficient of x square. Do you understand?
See that a and constant c and a, this is not same. That instead of constant, it is a is there. Understand, Ra? That both a's are not same. Remember that. Do it.
What is a value? Quotient of x square. It is 1. Do you understand? So alpha plus beta equal to
Minus 5.
5.
Product of 0.
-5.
Product of zeros. Alpha into beta. alpha into beta equal to C value. What is C? Our
A, ma'am.
constant is A. Don't cancel
A, ma'am.
Okay,
A
don't
by 1.
cancel A by A. Here A value. What is A value?
1.
1 ma'am.
1, ma'am.
1 ma'am, 1.
Okay.
So alpha beta is equal to A.
What is our given condition? Consider the given condition. 2 alpha plus 5 beta. Like this is equation 1 and next equation. 2 alpha plus 5 beta equal to -1. This is equation 2. Solve this equation 1 and equation 2.
All of you solve.
Equation 1 and equation 2. Here we have 2 variables. Correct, and 2 equations. Then find the alpha and beta values. Do you know or don't know?
Respond. You don't know how to find that.
From first equation, alpha equal
Yes
to
ma'am, yes ma'am. Yes ma'am. Yes ma'am.
alpha equal to -5 minus beta, correct? Plus beta comes to this side, minus beta. Here alpha plus beta equal to -5. Then alpha equal to -5 minus beta. Okay? Here we get alpha equal to -5 minus beta. In second equation, substitute alpha value. Second equation. What is second equation? 2 alpha plus 5 beta equal to -1. In place of x, in place of alpha, we substitute -5 minus beta. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt? 2 into alpha. Alpha is -5 minus beta.
Minus beta.
Next, plus 5 beta, right, as it is, which is equal to -1.
-1.
Multiply these two terms. 2 into -5.
-10.
Minus 10.
2
minus,
into minus
2
beta.
beta. Minus 2 beta.
Minus 2
Minus
beta, not
Minus 2 beta.
Plus 5 beta.
plus 5 beta
Equal to minus.
equal to -1. -10 minus 2
Plus
beta
3
plus
beta.
5 beta
Plus 3 beta.
plus 3 beta equal to -1.
-1.
Beta is 3 ma'am.
3 beta
Ma'am,
is
beta
equal
is
to
3 ma'am.
-1 plus 10.
-1 -10